Serious 8 Entertainment.
Yes po, Series 8.
Alright, thank you. Alright, we are live. There's Sync! I don't know where to put it. Iikot-ikot na lang natin para
Alright.
mabigyan ng ano.
Na-expose
Bahala na kayo mag-ano. Huwag nyo lang ibagsak yung laptop.
Okay. Okay. There's a face of the...
Baligtad yung face.
It's inverted.
Ano na lang, mag-compress tayo kaya.
Ibang level yung ano niya eh.
Pa tayo mag-adjust na.
Ganyan-ganyan na lang, di ba? Kung sino yung sasalita mo niya.
Okay. Ikaw na lang.
Kaya ka pa dito. Ay, ayun pala. Ikaw pala.
Kita
Kala ko si Jay, ikaw.
It's inverted eh.
Kaya pa si Kuya. Wala.
It's inverted. We have two viewers.
Dapat nandito si Kuya. So, hindi ko siya.
Kung?
I mean, kunyari front cam. Dapat nandito si Kuya. So, naka-invert siya.
Invert yung yung mismong ano video at saka sa side.
Tingnan ka ano.
Carefully ba?
Huwag kayo magsalita na ano siya. Caption. Ano yan? Bakit ano?
Wala lang.
Malayo mo lang kasi inverted.
Wala, nakatago kasi.
We're going live in 2.5 minutes.
There are 5 viewers.
Nakakita si Mr.
Ha? Naka-expose siya.
Kita si Reto sa likod. Makita. Yan, tayo tatlo.
Compress pa rin.
Maliit kasi
Sir
yung
Ian's
studio.
here na po.
Huh?
Andiyan na po.
Andiyan na siya?
Yes.
Hindi.
Oh, may isa pa doon. Hello.
What?
Yeah, may Twitch camera.
Wow. Ayun. I saw it doon sa screen. Hello Facebook live viewers. Kamusta? Naya mo asa?
So, yung isang mic, ito. Yeah. Walang mic.
Ay, this one?
Yeah. Dinisconnect, yeah.
Okay, so
Excited na ba kayo, guys?
ask natin gusto mo.
I don't know.
Ask.
You arrived just in time.
Di
We're
ba?
about to start,
Perfect.
like,
Hello,
literally 20
boss.
seconds.
Hello. Yeah.
May
Ano
sin-
nang, excited?
Wala pa ito.
Wala pa.
Set up pa lang kami.
We are on FB.
Ay, naka-live ha?
Yes.
Take note.
Jam 88.3, that is MGK with 9 lives, and on top of that is Sandwich 2 Trick Pony, also heard Kasabian's LSF. And with no further ado, it is past 6:30, which means it is time now to introduce our group here in the studio, Sync. They're a Filipino self-produced P-pop boy group under their own agency, Serious 8 Entertainment. So welcome, guys. Good evening.
Good evening po! 2, 3. Let the stars align. We are Sync! Hello, my name is Ben.
Hello, ako si Asa.
Hello, my name is Jai.
Hello, I'm Sevi.
Hello, my name is Lee.
Hi, my name is Klein.
Hello everyone, my name is Drew.
Nice to meet you po.
Nice to meet you po.
Nice to meet you guys too. So, tell us, how did you guys form? Like, ano yung storya nyo?
So we were from different part of industry. Some are from content creation, some are from dance community, some are skilled with singing na talaga. And we're quite worked together na. And from there, we built this friendship talaga na super solid. So we came up with the idea, hey guys, you know what? This has something to talaga to do with our career. Why not build a boy group? So from there, we built Sync, and kasi collective naman yung passion namin. We really want to sing, dance, perform. So yeah, the idea was from there, and just the journey was not easy talaga. Pero
So, you guys started when? Kailan kayo nag-form?
I think
We were formed like late June last
June.
year. And soft launched kami ng around July, August, and then officially debuted namin ng November 2024.
Okay, so how has the experience been for you guys so far?
So far, very nice naman eh. We are actually enjoying it kasi if we love what we're doing, we're basically gonna enjoy it. Pero aminado naman na the road is not easy, diba? It's always rough, and it's always how we will endure the journey naman.
What is the most challenging part of being part of a group? Siyempre, ang dami niyo, diba? So I'm sure
Yeah.
there are challenges to that. Ano yung mga challenges dun? And then how do you overcome those challenges?
For me, personal challenges is malay sa family, like
Yeah.
po, as I'm from the province of Ilocos Norte.
Okay.
That's why I overcome that challenge by thinking of them that they are my inspiration.
Yeah.
At saka may internet naman ngayon, di ba? You
Yeah.
can,
Video
video
call.
call, di ba? And it's pretty much free, not like before, long distance. Mahal.
Ako naman po personally, as a self-produce po kami, challenges po namin sometimes. Kami rin po kasi yung gumagawa like everything. Kunwari po, kami po yung dance unit po namin yung nagko-choreograph ng dance namin. And then yung mga rap lyricists po, sila din yung nagpuput ng lyrics sa mga songs. And also may melodist po kami, and ako po as a vocal leader. So yun po yung challenges na hindi po all the time kaming practice lang and show up to the people, no? Most of the time po talaga nasa behind the scenes din kami.
You're creating your choreography, you're writing your songs,
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
and then practicing it. Are you also the one producing it? Or you have somebody doing that na? The sound engineering?
We do, yeah. We do
You
get
do also
sound
that?
engineers, yes, po,
Oh,
and
that's good. Talagang
producers.
hands-on kayo, no?
Yes.
Opo.
And how old are you guys?
ranging from
Ayaw niya sabihin. I'm guessing siya yung eldest.
Yes.
Ayaw niya sabihin eh. So, huwag na lang sabihin yung eldest. Pero around roughly, like, you're in your early 20s.
20 to 25, yes.
18 to 25 honestly.
18 to 25.
It's
Okay.
very young. Very young.
20.
Pero kicking.
I'm already
Young
20.
and kicking.
Yes, our youngest is 20.
Yes, 20 to 25 po pa. Correction.
Nag-birthday na daw siya.
Yeah. Actually, last April lang po birthday niya.
Yes.
Birthday.
So is it, ay, happy birthday. Kailan April? Ako din, April.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
April 4 po.
Ako 28.
Belated po.
Thank you. So, taga ka Ilocos, right? The rest, are you all from Manila or province din?
No, I'm from Cavite po, Bacoor.
Okay.
I'm from Tagaytay po.
Okay.
Ako po, Manila.
Ako po Bulacan.
Ako po, Makati City.
Okay.
And ako po, taga Rizal.
Taga Rizal. Okay. So, talagang iba-ibang lugar, no? So,
Yeah.
do you guys live together to be able to manage, producing your own stuff?
Yes, well, we all do live together in the same house in Quezon City. And it actually makes the work easier kasi yung nandun na rin yung studio namin, nandun na lahat ng kailangan
So, walang
namin.
takas, no? Hindi pwede.
Yes.
I can't take it to practice.
Yeah, so alam talaga namin kung may
Oo,
may kailangan
para
yung
kailangan
member.
productive every day.
Yes.
Pero ano po yun, yun po yung decision namin lahat. Like, we're happy to do it na everyday gigising kami ng sama-sama to practice and to rehearse yung mga ginawa rin namin, mga sarili naming song. Happy po kami everyday.
It's like saying na we're very serious talaga guys. So,
Yeah.
watch out for us.
Kulitan mostly. Yan po yung na-enjoy namin.
Pero sabi nila, diba, if you live together, you'll have more of a, parang mas synchronized yung ano nyo rin.
Yeah.
Yes.
Kasi kilala nyo yung isa't isa. So, I definitely get that. How does your family take this? Like, anong yung reaction nila na you're part of a boy group, you know? Diba?
Actually, very supportive po lahat ng
Surprisingly,
family
they're
namin.
very supportive po of our passion or yung ginagawa namin. Even though I'm still studying and they still support what I do and what I love to do po.
Amazing nga po sa feeling kasi parang ina-expect namin na baka yung ibang member like katulad po ng mga nag-aaral, syempre yung priority nila is yung pag-aaral. Pero luckily, lahat naman po ng parent namin is kagaya po ng sinabi ni Drew, very supportive po talaga from Kuya Pen to Drew.
That's good na meron kayong support of your parents because it's
Yes.
very difficult to pursue your passion and your dreams if syempre your family is holding you back, diba? So that's good that
Yes.
they have your full support. Okay, so yung mga songs nyo, can you tell me how do you come up with the songs? Ano yung process nyo for your songwriting?
Actually, dun sa 2 songs na meron kami ngayon, very siya, tawag dito, very connected talaga siya sa amin kasi it tells the story.
Mhm.
First song namin was Balang Araw. It was written by me and co-written by Klein. So the song tackles my personally, letter ko siya sa kanila nung time na parang medyo doubtful na kami sa journey. And sabi ko parang this is not something na parang papalagpasin mo hindi magsisisi ka soon.
Mhm.
So this song tackles parang may motivation na whatever happens, do it hanggat kaya mo.
Yeah.
That's why the song is
Right.
very tawag dito, para siyang hopeful.
Yeah.
Ayan, it motivates you to
It's an
chase your
inspirational
dream.
song.
Yeah.
Yes.
And then
Yeah.
from there, hindi namin plan na i-debut talaga siya, pero that's yun yung nag-resonate sa amin na parang ito yun. Ito dapat yun.
Kumbaga nandun yung gut feeling namin na ito dapat yung una nating i-release.
Yeah. Pero we don't really have pa nun, parang anything. We just want to share that
Oo.
story
Yes.
talaga. And then from there, we grew. We studied the process, paano ba namin susundan.
Mhm.
And then from there, we are able to release yung recent latest song naman namin, which is yung Please, written by our bunso.
Yes po.
Yeah.
And co-written by Kuya Clem.
Okay,
Yeah.
alright. Do you think we can hear a little bit of that song? Kahit like a verse and a chorus?
Which
Try
which
natin
one?
a cappella?
Please? Okay.
Please or Balang Araw. I think Please.
Kayo bahala.
Yes,
So
of
we
course.
we can hear. Which one is this?
Please.
Please, okay.
This was this was our first
The
ever
pre-chorus.
music video. Kasi yung
From the
first namin
pre-chorus.
wala talaga, lyric video.
Yeah,
from
Okay.
the
So
video
yung
there.
first namin,
From the
music
pre-chorus.
video.
Alright, so everyone, ladies and gentlemen, we've got singing.
Please.
From the pre-chorus. 1, 2, 3, go! Di pinapansin aking pagbaba, ramdam ng nadarama.
Kahit anong gawin, lumalayo. Kung gusto may paraan, di magdadahilan, ibibigay lahat sa'yo. Di paglalaruan, iba sa nakaraan, ako ay para lang sa'yo.
Oh, 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 oh. Ako ay para lang sa'yo.
Alright, that was Zink with Please. Thank you so much for that
Thank you.
sample. Alright, we're gonna go take a quick break, and when we come back, we're also going to talk with Ian Borromeo of House of Yugen because you guys have just started something with them. So we're gonna find out more about that, the exciting things in store for Sync. In the meantime, here is something from our friendly sponsor. So take a listen and check this out. Yeah, naka-live tayo. So pag naka-live tayo, right now may commercial, di ba? Hindi
Yes.
nila naririnig yung commercial. Sa Twitch, nila naririnig yung in-air.
So naka-mute.
Kaya nakamute ako. Kaya tayo parang walang nangyayari niya.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Nakamute
Pero
po
sa
ito.
Facebook live, kung ano yung sinasabi natin sa studio, narinig nila lahat. Pero yung naka-tune in sa online or sa frequency, hindi tayo narinig ngayon unless na naka-on yung mga mic.
Yeah.
Wow.
Kaya sabi ko, have it both on, yung Facebook Live tsaka yung Twitch. Para habang may music, pwede nilang mahinala yung music, but they can hear, para sila nag-eavesdrop.
Okay.
I'm gonna talk to you, ha?
Oh.
Oh, bakit?
Okay, kasali pala ako.
Oo.
Sige, I will comment.
Diba, para like, you know,
I'll sit there. Sige.
about your support of Sync, diba? And, you know, what's in store for them with,
Kung kaya.
diba? To know more details.
Sige.
The,
I'll say what I can
yeah,
say.
the partnership or the,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tsaka yung please ano yun, para lang sa'yo. Di ba ang cute?
Ha?
PLS.
PLS.
Ah,
Para lang sa'yo.
PLS.
Okay.
That's how you spell it.
Please. Yes po.
Kala ko para lang sa akin.
Pwede rin po. Pwede rin po.
Pag nakita niyo po yung lyrics, pwedeng para na lang sa akin.
Yes.
Nasa lounge siya si Josh.
Ha?
He's listening now.
He is.
Yeah. Hi tayo. Buti wala masyadong traffic.
Oh, today? Really?
Surprisingly.
Oo nga, no?
Kasi
Kasi
ano,
traffic ganitong oras
It's
talaga.
Monday.
Mm.
Fast feeling ko mamaya.
Baka mamaya.
Maaga pa kasi kayo. Oh, ngayon, traffic na yun, 6:40.
Ano nga yung Twitch, no?
Twitch.tv
Twitch.tv.
/jam, habay, /jam 883 We Walk Radio.
Ito yung Twitch kamo.
Mm-mm.
Asa yung camera?
Ito po.
Ayan.
Dito
Twitch.
nakatuto.
Ayun.
Shout out sa mga FB Live viewers natin dyan.
Hello, shout out to y'all.
Hello.
Sa Facebook Live.
Facebook
Sabi ni Cherry Jasmine, galing naman ng sync namin.
Hello.
With burning fire. With burning fire.
Para unique, di ba?
Meron kang paperclip
Kasi
sa
si
akin.
Tina
ang laki.
magpantahin daw siya.
Oo. Doon, at least, meron yata silang ano din. May mga
Kasi
connection.
hiningi niya sa akin.
Oo.
Parang ano ka ngayon? Fresh.
Fresh ba?
Bye.
Fresh ba? Nagbahay na ako eh. Nagbahay na ako.
Pampa-fresh. Galing din kami doon nung Saturday yata.
Oo.
Pa-fresh.
Babalik na ako ulit eh.
Kailan?
After 2 weeks daw. Kasi gusto niya microdose. Ayaw niya yung mamaya sumobra.
Oo.
Tapos,
Hindi kasi baka iba yung effects sa'yo.
Mm-mm.
Dahan-dahan.
Mas okay nga yung
Mas
ganun.
okay siya na gano'n.
Sa konti-konti. Parang yung mag-makeup lang yan, di ba? Pag dinamihan mo kaagad, ang hirap tanggalin. Pero pa konti-konti.
Apoy.
Alright, are you ready?
Yeah.
Jam 88.3, that is the score. Down with the Wolves. And if you are down with Sync, they are still here in the studio. And we are now chatting with Ian Borromeo of House of Yugen and also of the Miss Universe franchises of Bahrain, Egypt, and Pakistan fame. So welcome to the studio, Ian.
Good evening.
Shout out
DJ
also to
Rose.
Josh Yugen, who is tuned in right now.
He's in the lounge of Naiya Terminal 3.
Oh, really? Have a safe flight, Josh.
Safe flight.
Too bad we miss you tonight. So, Ian, tell us about, because the first time I saw these guys, right, Sync,
Yes.
was at the press con of Miss Universe Bahrain, I believe. And they performed there. So, can you tell us how did you discover them and how did you decide that they would be part of, you know,
Should we tell the real story?
Yeah.
You guys, it's so
Yeah.
weird,
Why?
but it's so interesting.
Weird?
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah, it's
weird,
weird
is
and
interesting.
at the same
Okay.
time, but we call it destiny.
Okay.
You know, so we have our office here, the recently launched office of House of Yugen in Manila, in BGC.
yeah.
And then they had an appointment on a company which is located on the same floor
Okay.
of our office. And then Josh went to the toilet
Yeah.
and they met he met these guys in the toilet.
Yeah.
And they exchanged numbers. I don't know what happened there in the toilet. But apparently some miracles happened inside the toilet. And yeah, I think they clicked. So we arranged something for them for Bench Fashion Week. They were invited
That's
there.
amazing. Okay.
So that's basically our first project. And then we initiate more conversations, more, ideas together, opportunities to explore partnerships. And yeah, like there's like magic about it.
Wow, ang swerte nyo.
Yeah.
Diba? Sino yung naihi nun?
Lahat po kami.
Lahat kayo. Galing naman. Ang
Diba?
galing ng bladder nyo.
That's how destiny works, diba? Like
Yeah.
in the most unexpected ways and forms.
That's actually not a weird story. It's actually a pretty cool story.
Yeah.
Diba?
Kasi
Because
nga po, connected siya dun sa intro namin, which is Let the Stars Align.
yeah, it did align. Definitely.
Imagine we
And your
actually-
bladders aligned.
That's the next single, The Bladder.
Bladders aligned. Magic happened.
Diba?
That's so cool.
Yeah, super nakakatuwa, to just, think about it.
When was this? Was that recent?
2 weeks, 3 weeks ago.
3 weeks
Oh,
ago.
really?
Just 3
Bago
weeks
pa
ago.
pala.
Yes,
Yeah.
just 3 weeks ago.
Yeah, because I was supposed to go to that bench
Correct,
show, right?
we
But I had
invited you as
I had a
well,
taping,
correct.
yeah.
Because we
So, yeah,
arranged
so
a
you
show
guys, they
there.
performed there.
They were just a VIP guest
Ah,
for the Bench Fashion
Okay.
Show. Yeah.
nice. And then what else is in store for Sync?
Well, after...
Is there something that you can divulge? Baka secret pa eh.
Okay, so after we actually, sat down and have
Mhm.
the contract signed, of course, we have a lot of things ahead for them, which are all exciting because they are the most promising P-pop group now in the Philippines. I can claim that already. And of course, they haven't been officially launched. So I think that's the next project that we're doing. We're working towards that right now. So there will be an official launch of Sing very, very soon. I will not divulge a specific date, but we're fixing everything for them.
Right.
Of course, they're gonna be part of the Miss Universe album also. We're producing a Miss
Wow.
Universe album for our franchises.
Yeah.
So they're gonna have like a song there. So it's gonna be internationally distributed as well.
What
Our
an amazing
producers
opportunity,
are-
guys.
Yeah, so super exciting. And of course, they're gonna be part of our network already for Yugen. So globally, we're going to be able to carry them as well.
Congrats, congratulations.
Thank you
2025 is
po.
your
Thank you po.
year.
Yes!
So for our listeners who might not be familiar, basically Ian Borromeo together with Josh Yugen have bought the franchises for Miss Universe Bahrain, Miss Universe Pakistan, Miss Universe Egypt. So they are making it possible for women in those countries to be able to join pageantry, which normally they couldn't. They'd have to fly out to a country that has the pageant for them to join, diba?
And they don't accept
And
before
they don't
because they have
accept.
to wear swimsuits.
Oo,
So
pero
we
ginawa niyo ng
introduce,
paraan,
yes, we
diba?
introduce a different format
So
for
they
them.
wear a more conservative,
Correct.
parang,
like a
anong tawag doon?
burkini.
Burkini.
It's like a speedo scuba diving suit.
Oo,
Yeah.
para covered pa rin yung skin, di ba?
Yeah. So now they can
They-
actually
they're-
compete.
They allowed it. So, ang
internationally.
galing na ginawa nyo na you were able to kind of find a way to parang, what do you call that?
Make it work.
Yeah, to...
And be represented
parang
then,
ayaw
the
nila na
women.
ganun because
Yeah.
they don't want too much skin, they don't want too much
Correct.
sexy. Okay, then let's find
Yeah.
something where we can meet halfway, di ba?
Correct.
So, I think that's definitely great what you guys are doing because you're also representing Philippines. As a
Yes.
Filipino name, na yun yung owner ng franchises na yun in those foreign countries. And now you guys get to be a part of that because now you're attached to it. So congratulations, guys.
Yay!
Congratulations. We have to go and take another quick break, but when we return, we've got some final messages from Ian and also from Sing. So don't go anywhere.
Yay!
Ano
Ayan
pala,
na.
I write now for Business Mirror. I just started. So, tapos pinitch ko, sabi ko, can I write about the franchise owners of Miss Universe, Bahrain, Pakistan, and Egypt? Kasi they're redefining how women are able to represent themselves from those countries, di ba? And it's, ang may-ari nun is Filipino, di ba? So we should be proud to like let people know. So, okay. So, kaya ako ng ano, I'll just tell you that. Maybe I'll send you some questions
Sige.
para mas maganda yung wording nyo. Kasi written naman eh.
Daming racket, ha?
I have ADHD. I need to be busy. Nade-depress ako pag wala akong ginagawa.
Sige, sige, I'll support. Nagari.
Pero good yun, di ba? Parang,
Being busy is a blessing.
yes, it is.
Nag-shooting ka na
Na?
nung film or
Tapos
series?
na, kaya nga
Tapos
hindi ako
na.
nakapunta nung sa bench. Kasi yun yung taping. One day lang naman yung taping.
So, yeah. She'll be acting also very
Wow.
soon.
Wow.
Looking forward.
But I don't know, because I met si Jennifer Chan.
Oh, yeah.
Remember?
Oo. May-ari din yun ng
Oo,
station.
she's gonna start a network. So,
Yeah.
I don't know if I will do Viva Max kasi baka mamaya she has something better. Baka I don't
Explore
wanna
lang.
get pigeonholed to
Oo, correct.
do,
Explore lang. Kasi cable channel naman yun.
Mm-mm.
Yung kanya.
Kasi pag naging super sexy na, hindi ka na pwede. sa
Super
kaya-
sexy ba ng role?
Baka yun yung gusto nila. So, baka hindi na ako pwede sa ibang, di ba, yung more respectable.
More wholesome.
More wholesome. So, sayang naman. Kaya I'm still deciding.
Pa-charge ka.
Saan yung office niyo sa BGC?
Sa 32nd corner 11th Street. Ano siya?
It's around malapit sa Market.
Corporate Plaza Tower.
Ah,
Malapit siya sa
High
Marquee.
Street.
Yung Marquee na events place.
so,
Citibank. Katapat na.
malapit sa finance center?
Malapit na siya sa dulo na siya eh. Sa
Along High
ano
Street,
pangalan
tapos
ng area
dulo.
na yun? Yung mall na yun. Serendra.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Ikaw pala nakapunta.
Ha?
Hindi ka pa nakakapunta.
Hindi pa. Nandito ba kayo ng June 1 to 4? Wala
Shout
kayo?
out to Jasmine.
Balik kami ng ano.
And Jerry
June 12.
Jasmine.
Sayang. Kasi
Ano
merong
meron?
event, Sigma. Media liaison naman ako sa kanila. So,
Sigma?
Sigma World.
Hi,
Ayun,
Jasmine
ayun,
and
ayun.
Yun yung ano, di ba? Parang AIBC.
Cherry.
Oo, kukunan ko sana kayo ng tickets para you can
2 years in
attend.
a row nag-speaker si Josh dyan.
Ah, talaga?
This year lang siya wala kasi nga
Ah.
nasa ano kami.
Ah, sige.
Masaya yun.
Yun nga,
Masaya
kaya ipaano ko sana kayo.
Kung gusto mo ng performers. napakasaya
Yes.
nila.
Kasi ako nag-ano sa
Super
Super
young yung
available.
event na yun kasi parang mga ano siya eh, mga AI,
Tsaka
crypto.
mayaman yung mga nag-a-attend dun.
Cute
Mga
nila.
big time. Mga may-ari ng mga casino sa Las Vegas.
Sabi ni
So
Sir Josh.
yung office kasi nun,
Cute
doon din
nila.
sa BGC. Sa may corporate something.
Ano?
Forget. Basta isang yung nonos.
Eh, malapit yata kami din.
Kaya nga
Kasi
yun yung sinasabi mo. Sabi ko, parang yun din yung office na.
Malapit kami sa
Oo.
Nonos.
Baka yan nga yun, yung building na yun.
Baka. Pero
Dapat
hindi,
may
hindi,
finance
hindi siya
center,
Nonos
hindi.
eh.
Sa High Street mismo.
Malapit kami sa high
Mm,
street. Sa
yun
Edao,
din.
sa tabi.
Yeah.
Malapit na tayo. Jam 88.3, that is Contra Feels So. And welcome back. We've got Sync and also Ian Borromeo here in the studio. And, thank you so much, guys, for giving us a sample of your song, Please.
Yes.
Ano may para lang
Sa'yo.
Kala ko para lang sa akin.
Sa lahat pala.
Para lang sa
lahat.
inyo.
Para sa lahat na nakikinig. So yeah,
Yes.
watch out for these guys. They have not been officially launched yet into the mainstream platform. So what an honor for you guys to come here and give us a snippet and a
Thank
preview
you po.
of what's to come. And also congratulations to your current project being
Yes.
attached to the House of Yugen and all of the great things that they have in store. Di ba, may bago pa kayong office that's gonna be in Copenhagen.
We just opened in
My
Copenhagen.
goodness,
March.
diba?
Yeah.
Look at that. So para kayo sumakay sa rocket ship. You're just gonna go up and up and up. All right, so thank you so much for dropping by. I know that you guys have got an interview set as well with Tina Ryan over at Magic. She's a very good friend of mine. It's her first time on this time slot, 6 to 9. So give her a hug,
Yeah.
okay? When you see her, give her a hug.
Okay.
She needs a hug kasi ano na yan, matagal na siya hindi nag 6 to 9 eh. Sabi niya, I need a hug. Give her a hug. Magugulat
It's
siya.
her,
"Oh,
new,
you're
it's her
hugging
new
me."
show, ano no?
Yeah, it's her new time slot today
Yeah.
for the very first time. All right, so any final message to our listeners?
Oh, yan. For our Starburst, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much dahil inabangan nyo kami here. And yeah, like what you've heard, marami kayong dapat abangan together from Sync, together with House of Yugen. So marami kaming inihahanda ngayon, marami kaming pinagpe-prepare na dapat nyong tutukan, and most of it will appear on our social media. So please follow us and stay tuned sa aming mga updates.
Follow social media.
Oh, speaking of social medias, you can follow us on at the Sync PH OFC on Facebook and at the Sync PH on X, TikTok, and Instagram. Pwede nyo rin po kaming subaybayan sa YouTube and Spotify. I-type nyo lang po yung SY space NC. Stream nyo na din po yung Please at saka Balang Araw. Thank you very much.
Yes. And I don't want to forget, please watch our very first music video na self-produced namin. Ang music video ng Please out now
Super
on
ganda,
YouTube.
yeah.
Yes.
Alright.
And
And
we love you,
Message for our
Starburst.
listeners.
well, let's support Sync because I think they're going to be the biggest P-pop group here in the Philippines, and we believe in them when no one can see it, and we have that power to see really diamond in the rough. So
Nice.
we're going to invest. We're going to do everything in our capabilities to make these boys big in the
Ang
market.
swerte nyo! Congratulations! Thank you so much, Ian, and thank you so much to the boys of Sync. Thank you so much for dropping by. It's been a pleasure, and looking forward to catching you guys live again soon. All right, thank you so much. In the meantime, I've got some Beastie Boys coming up. May
Thank you
picture
so
kami
much
kaso wala ka. Dapat meron
Isa
tayo
pa?
We can
kasama.
redo it.
One more.
Let's do it.
Tsaka
Let's
may-
ask ano na lang ulit.
Si ate, ano? Girls in music video.
Alam niyo na po.
Upo na lang ako.
Nahuli na yung girl sa music video.
Nagano nga ako dito na sabi ko, kailangan ko ng chairs, kuya. Sabi ko, parang classroom style marami.
Tsaka may mga butong microphone.
Oo, nagpaano ko para pwedeng ipasa kasi di ba hindi kasya yung mic. Samli ka, ano, Ian. Eto rin na, please, yung sa phone ko. Thank you. Upo na lang ako.
Upo din ako.
Ah, gusto mo?
Tabi tayo. Kasya ba tayo? Sexy mo
Ay,
naman.
teka. Hindi yata tayo kasya.
Kalong ka sa akin.
Ano tayo mag-boyfriend? Ako yung boy.
Ikaw yung boy.
Kita pa ulit.
Very cute.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Last one. 1, 2,
Ako nakahinga.
Ako na yung sa phone ko, meron pa. Sorry, mabigat ba ako?
Go lang.
1, 2, 3. One more po. 1, 2, 3. Last one. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Salamat. Bigas ka pa.
Thank you, DJ Ro.
Full house again.
Thank you then.
Hindi ko masagot yung ano mo, tarot reading.
Ha?
Pagbalik na lang namin,
Ano yun?
mag-tarot reading tayo with ano. Sabi mo mama.
Si Hans, oo, Master Hans. Oo. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, good luck guys, good luck.
Thank you so much po.
Oh, pagbalik nyo.
Sige, pagbalik.
Thank you po.
Alright.
Salamat po.
Thank you so much po.
Bye-bye.
Si Ate Andy paglalaba.
Okay.
Sige, basta next show nyo ah.
Kailan ka day off?
Ha?
Saturday,
Sunday.
Sige pa, baka pwede tayo mag-coffee before
Yes, yeah, please.
Para chill lang tayo. Walang work. Lagi tayo may work.
Laging merong ano
Oo, lagi
eh.
tayo may ganap.
Lagi may agenda.
Okay.
Bye.
Love ya.
Bye.
Let me know kung may kailangan mo.
Ay, introduce kita dito kay ano.
Dami kong hair. Mga extension or mga treatments? Ang dami ko. Sige, sabihin mo lang ako kung ano kailangan mo. Clothes? Sige.
Ano yung mga dress ako ng Man of the World?
Madami mo. Ay, daming gown.
Kahit hiram lang.
Sige, ano lang. Post lang. Sige, bahala sa'yo. Sabihan mo.
Go. Alright, bye guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.
I'll open another live, guys. Bye. Thank you so much.